Now we're going to look at using the classes to change our menu here to make them a little bit easier for the people using the website to navigate the page. Some of the things we want to do is when we're on a page, so for example now we're on home page, it shouldn't be clickable. And we also want to grey it out to show the user that they are on the home page. The other thing we want them to do is to highlight or underline when we mouse over a particular page to help the user know that that is actually a clickable link. So to do that, we need to do some setting up. So back in our source code for our page, we're going to remove the link for any page that happens on itself. So for example on this one here, we've got a link to the home page. But we don't want to delete the word home, we just want to delete the link. So for example on here, it's a home page, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to delete my link code, and I'm going to add in beside the li class equals selected. Hit refresh and you'll notice now nothing changes on the screen here, but over here we don't have a class created yet. We'll set that up after we finish all these pages. So I'm going to go to CSS About now. So this is the About page. Again, delete the actual link because we don't want it to be a link anymore. And under that list item, type in class equals selected. So go ahead and do that to all your pages. So if we preview that now in Chrome, we should be able to see that we can no longer click on the word home, but everything else is clickable. So now we need to come back to our CSS file and add a new class. So down at the bottom we're going to create the class nav li dot selected, because the class will happen under a navigation section only. Open up with the curly brackets and close the brackets. If we refresh that now, we should have a new choice in our rules section. So let's edit that one there. And we want to add a color for when something is selected. So let's go with a grey and click OK. So if we preview that, all our pages will grey out as we go over them. So the next one we're going to add is a rule so that when we mouse over a link, it is underlined. So now we need to create a new rule, so we'll type in nav, because this will happen under the navigation, li for list, a hover. This hover code here, it is referring to a pseudo class. Pseudo classes change the appearance of any elements in certain special situations. This case, it's for styling links. So open that up with our curly brackets and close that. We can refresh that rule over here. We'll choose to edit it, and we're going to choose the text decoration as underline. Go ahead and preview that now. Save that. And when we mouse over any other link, you'll notice there it is now underlined.